Hello friends, now we are going to solve numerical number 1 based on differential protection. So before understanding the concept of this question, we must consider the connection of this transformer, all the connection. So we can see the power transformer connection is star and delta. These cities secondary will be connected in delta, and if this is in delta connection, so these cities will connect in star. So now I am going to connect with, like, this will be look like this connection will be like this. There is no intersection basically. So if you will see clearly, then you will look like this. It will look like this. So this will be our different lines. This will be our different line R, Y, B, and this is the transformer CT secondary connection. And here it will be connected in star. Simply it will connect in star. It will connect in star. The line is forward. It is going to forward without any kind of interaction. So basically you can see this green line. So this line current will arise from here. This line current will arise from here. Here this is the line current basically, city secondary, and this will like look like this. So if you will connect this, so first we will connect. So now right now I'm going to draw. I'm going to connect basically. First we will connect. So it will look like this. It will look like this. So here uh, this first will connect to the first, and this second will connect to the second basically. Second will connect to the second. So second will connect to the second here. Here it will, if you consider, the second is connected to second, second is connected to second, so we can add like this. And the third is connected to like this, third is connected like this, third is connected like this. This line will go from here to here, and this will we can connect directly. So in between them I didn't discuss what here it will be operating coil and restraining coil. So this will be our operating OC coil, and this will be our restraining coil, and this will be correspondingly in all the branches. So we have studied for single phase exactly will be here, and for this third line, for this line basically this. So here it will also be like this, and it will look like OC and RC. So this is RC and this is OC. So this is the simple connection of three-phase transformer. So now we are going to solve the numerical. So a three-phase 50 hertz 33 by 11 kV. So this numerical has 33 by 11 kV transformer, power transformer, and the MVA rating has been given as 8 MVA, 8 MVA. So the line current we can calculate with the formula S is equal to root 3 into V into I. So now I will put this value. S value is 8, is 8 MVA basically. 8 into 10 to the power 6 is equal to root 3 times, means 33 into 10 to the power 3 into I. So when we will calculate the I value is coming 140 ampere. Approx, it's not exactly 140 ampere, but it's 140 ampere. It's 140 ampere. And the secondary side, if the voltage is reducing 3 times, the current will increase 3 times. So this will be 420 ampere. So this is the first basic rule, and we can calculate from here is this formula, root 3 into V into I. The value will be same, only you have to put the value of V here, that is 11. So 420 ampere. So this is not the problem. So this side will be 420 ampere upon the denominator will be, let us assume the secondary side has to be decided of 5 ampere. So 5 ampere will be the phase of this delta connection, because here it will be 5 ampere. So the phase of delta is 5. So phase of line of this delta will be 5 root 3. So here the current should be equal to 5 root 3, 5 root 3. So the secondary we can design like this, but we want to design like 5 downward. So if you want to find downward, so it will be 5 upon root 3. If you are talking about the CT ratio, then so in nominator we can this divide by root 3 upon this can be calculated as 5. So the CT ratio of primary side first will be equal to 140 upon 5, and this will be equal to 420 by root 3 upon 5. So this is all about this numerical